Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here, I'm Vijay and today we'll be reacting to Billy Karira official music video and I'm sorry for if I'm pronouncing it wrong. And yeah, I just reacted to that Wish Live on Buzz USA. And guys, these girls are so talented. That harmonization. Okay, I like now I get why these girls are really popular. And everything about them are so good. I'm already so the song Cherry on Top is like continuously playing on a playlist. I can't wait to know them more and check out them more. I can say these girls are really talented. So yeah, before that guys, if you like my reaction, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe! Okay, let's go. And before that, guys, don't forget to go like. Oh, I already liked. Okay, like and subscribe to the original artist because yeah, let's support them. Okay. Wow, that's so cool. Wow, is it like a shooting star or it's something? Oh, that I thought something was wrong with my computer. Who was it that? Okay, I thought something was wrong with my computer. Wow, love the visuals already. The sound of music is so beautiful. Oh, okay. Could be.
Minsan ay nahuhuli ang sarili na nag-aalala. Mga bagay na di kontrolado, pinoproblema. Pero teka lang, meron bang humahabol sa'yo?
The
Di
harmony
man
section.
dapat matulin ang pagtakbo. Sino bang nagsabi na kailangan kong maunahin? Di naman ito karera. Pwede magdahan-dahan sa bawat panibagong umaga. Ang pagsimula.
Oh my god. I'm sorry for pausing in a very wrong time, but I'm gonna repeat it. I mean, we're gonna, yeah. This is so good. Like, what?
Sino bang nagsabi na kailangan kong maunahin? Di naman ito karera. Pwede magdahan-dahan sa bawat panibagong umaga. Ang pagsimula muli ay isang tagumpay na. Huwag mag-alala, buhay ay di kalala. Pwede unti-unti, wala namang humahabol sa'yo.
Oh my god. The harmony
Di
is
naman
so nice.
matulin ang pagtakbo. Sino ba nagsabi na
Oh, that's
kailangan
good.
kong maunahin? Di naman
It's a
ito
really fun. It's really
karera. Pwedeng magdahan-dahan sa bawat panibagong umaga. Ang pagsimula muli ay isang tagumpay na. Huwag mag-alala, buhay ay di kalala. Dahan-dahan lang, buhay ay di kalala. Unahan sa karera, kung wala namang karera, dahan-dahan, tahan lang, kakayanin, umpisa ka lang. Di na kailangan kung maunahin, di naman ito karera. Pwedeng magdahan-dahan sa bawat panibagong umaga. Ang pagsimula muli ay isang tagumpay na. Huwag mag-alala, buhay ay di kalera. Dahan-dahan lang, buhay
Lyrics
ay
are
di
so beautiful.
kalera. Walang masyadong mabagal, walang may bilis sa pagtakbo ng buhay, hindi kami nipis. Hingang malalim lang at tamaan, ika'y may hawak ng iyong ba. Walang masyadong mabagal, walang mabilis sa pagtakbo ng buhay, hindi kami nipis. Hingang malalim lang at tamaan, ika'y may hawak ng iyong ba. Walang masyadong mabagal, walang mabilis sa pagtakbo ng buhay, hindi kami nipis. Hingang malalim lang at tamaan, ika'y may hawak ng iyong ba.
Yeah, I don't know. I was so lost. Is there like a storyline for these girls? Or what just happened? Why did they turn into butterflies and just boom, psh, vanish? This music video is so pretty. And I love the music. The chorus is catchy. Oh my god, I didn't think. I do know Philippines music, okay, because I watched Ghetto. So I don't really know, but I do know how it actually sounds. And I did watch few of like Philippines dramas and stuff here and there. So I do know, but I never listened to a female group singing in Philippines. So this is really new for me. And oh my god, this is so good. Mainly the harmonization. Everything about this is so good. I love everything about this. And yeah, guys, that's it for today. And if you like my reactions, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.